right, guys, so we're gonna meet up with some people today. We're gonna go for a quick ride. Super nice out. It's supposed to storm later, so I figured I'd ride now and get some good content in for you guys. It's like 80 degrees out, so we're gonna meet up with a few people, and hopefully it doesn't rain. So we might even stop by Chris's, because I know he's got his bike that hopefully he can get out and ride. Chris is waiting on a couple of parts for his bike, and they're supposed to be delivered today, so that way he can put the bike back together pretty quick. And yeah, it's just a matter of putting the tank back on and then just fueling it up. I don't know if he has fuel in it. Hopefully he may or may not ride with us today. We're hoping that he can. We'll see. If not, we're gonna stop by his house and see what he's doing and see how far along he's come on the bike. My gas light's on. Hopefully I can make it. Gotta fuel up, meet up with a couple of guys, and we're gonna meet up with Jared. He's actually the guy that bought my old MT-07. And when I say old, it's not old. It only had like 1,000 miles on it. Maybe not even that. I really can't remember, but it was brand new. I sold it to World of Power Sports, and he ended up buying it. I didn't know him at all, but I ended up seeing him out and about on the bike, and I immediately recognized the bike, mainly because of the red handle grips that I bought for it. And yeah, I think I saw him on like a local Facebook group for cars and bikes and stuff. Like the same day maybe, or like a couple days after that. And I was like, hey, I saw you out and about, yada yada yada. We started talking about the bike, and yeah, ended up adding him. So we're gonna meet up with him too, and yeah, here shortly after I get gas. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool riding video today. And then we got a couple other guys. We got an FZ07, I think. Rain is forecasted today, but I don't think it's gonna rain. I don't see anybody there yet, but we'll see. But whatever, we'll chill, we'll wait, and I'll just fuel up. I'll get some gas. I'm sure I'll be able to make it. I'm gonna get some gas. So that's Hunter. He's got a SV1000. I've never been this finicky with like neutral. There we go, watch, we'll get it. Boom, baby. What's up?
What up, buddy?
Hell yeah.
Good, man.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. Hell yeah. So how long have you had that for?
2 weeks.
Oh, 2 weeks? Nice.
Yeah, it's good, it's fun. Do you have a Senna?
No, it's like a knockoff. So,
Okay.
yeah.
I was just wondering, because I just bought this helmet. It has a Senna. I wasn't sure if anybody else.
Oh, nice. Yeah, so I've got the generic one, but there's other ones that Senna makes that you can actually connect to.
I got you.
Yeah, so. Hell yeah. Man, I do miss that bike. That bike's so tight. It sounds good too.
You know Seth?
Seth.
Seth, he drives the MT-09.
No. What's up, man? What all did you upgrade on this bad boy? Oh, you still have the turn signals that I did?
Yes.
Oh yeah, that's right.
I smoked the construction barrier.
Oh, for real? That's crazy. Hell yeah. That exhaust holding up?
You know, it's that.
Yeah, that's the only sucky part, but I mean, it's visual. But other than that,
I guess just because it's like plastic
yeah.
glass or whatever it is, it's not actually like carbon.
Sick. Yeah, that thing sounds so good. Freaking love that thing, man. Yeah, I gotta go in and get gas. It sucks because I don't want to take my helmet off, but they bitch you out if you don't. All right, so we're gonna roll out and meet with a couple other riders. I think they're both popping. I can't even pop on this thing. It has a soft like rumble, little bit of pops like on D-cell, but hit them turns. What's going on?
Nice looking bike.
That's my old one, man. I'm gonna take a leak. I was kind of holding it back there, so probably shouldn't have done that, but.
I brought my dad.
Hell yeah. Sounds good. Oh, feels good. So I think there's a white line for a reason. Oh shit. African twin, baby. La di da di da di da da. I want to be close to you. Oh, my hip.
What you doing there, bud?
I had a cramp in my ass cheek. What's up? Wait, what?
I said I'll rub it.
It fucking hurt. I like got off and it just like got stuck. I was like, ugh. No, I was trying to see who this was. We had an extra rider. Anybody know each other? No?
No.
No? Cool. Yeah, well, did you pass us?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was like, all right. And then I saw you flying up. I was like,
So I was just like,
Hell yeah.
hell yeah. For show.
damn it, man.
My fan ain't kicking on for some weird reason, so it's sitting at like 190 the whole time.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's fine, but
I can't tell. I don't give a shit. No, I figured I was just going to stop and see where everybody, like, time-wise, everybody good on time?
yeah.
All day, buddy.
Okay, cool. So, I don't know where you guys want to go. I was going to... Well, I was gonna say, oh yeah, are they
You
about?
wanna go to Emo's?
Is there people there?
There's food there.
Oh, okay. I mean, yeah, we can do that. I was gonna say,
Yeah.
Fat boy needs
when I
a
first
snack.
plugged it in, like I didn't.
Emo's.
yeah, we can do that. back. That hill, dude, that's why I was like, screw it. I'm not gonna try to back it up that.
She light, but she heavy up.
Yeah.
It's dual fuel injected.
Yeah, I guess that's so.
Well, I mean, that shouldn't matter.
No, I just like.
I guess it doesn't, I don't know. Because as soon as I put that on, like the first night, you were shooting big ass flames.
Oh yeah,
for a while.
I got a video of it. Yeah, when it's shooting flames.
We're on Adams right now.
Oh, Adams, where's that? We're like towards like, oh yeah, okay, so we're over by that old like Shell gas station right by ICC.
Oh, go Circle K on Adams. Circle K on Adams.
Circle K on Adams. Oh shit.
God damn. Hope your GoPro's running, Nate.
Oh, it is. Oh my God.
3/4 of us drivers admit to texting or otherwise using our device while driving. It is a deadly addiction, make no mistake, and 1/4 of drivers firmly believe they can do both at the same time.
They weren't paying attention and they had to like, holy. Dude, there's almost a wreck.
Nate, when you edit that, put some initial D in
All right, bet. All right, sounds good. Yep. But you guys good?
Yeah, yeah. Look at the cry in the camera.
Definitely texting, man. Definitely texting. A chick.
16-year-old.
All right, fellas, I'm gonna roll out. I'll message, see what everybody's doing. Yep. Nice meeting you guys. Nice meeting you, and then I'll get a hold of you guys. I'll get a hold of you. Bye. All right, guys. I think I'm still recording. All right, yeah. So I'm recording still. All right, guys. I think that's gonna be it for this video. We got some writing in, and I think I got the video of somebody basically almost wrecking, and I want to say it's because they weren't paying attention. I don't know what the footage is gonna look like just because it's a wide view and they were kind of far away. So maybe we can zoom in and see what it looks like. Yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you like what you saw, give me a big old thumbs up. You don't have to. Subscribe if you like. You don't have to. And leave a comment. I always respond to comments. And yeah, you know what to do. Stay safe, ride safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.